Are they good?
Have some? I didn't take a bite yet.
Oh.
No.
I actually can't tell for sure, but it kind of sounds like there's thunder coming. Well, I asked them, of course, I asked them not to eat the 1 jar of pickles that I'd already made for an example, but they're so delicious, the kids couldn't help themselves when they saw me making new ones yesterday. And actually, like, I made a first batch and then waited to make this video so that we'd have time to like test them and see what we thought. Because in the past, I've always used the like the pre-mix stuff, like the pouches that just give you directions, which I think you usually just do the vinegar, water, and then whatever's in the packet. I can't even remember the name, but it's like the same brand that always makes all the different pickling stuff. Sorry, it's very windy outside right now. So this is one of the new jars that I made yesterday, is what I filmed me making them. And then it got too dark for me to talk. And then this was the original batch that I made. So as I was saying, I've always used the pouch mix and I like it, but I've tasted like restaurant pickles and things like that taste fresher and less like, I don't know, store-bought kind of, and I wanted that for mine, homemade ones. So the pickles, obviously we grow the cucumbers here at our house. Everything else is store-bought. I think next year I might try and grow my own dill just to like have it be more of stuff that we've grown here. But so I have the cucumbers, the dill, the garlic, peppercorns, and then just the white vinegar and water, and then salt and sugar. And it is so good. They're so fresh, so crispy. I don't think they would last a lot longer than 6 weeks. I know our old ones, like when we would make the packet mixed, it wasn't very long. It was like a few months. And these ones probably would last like a couple months. But I don't know if I would leave them in your fridge more than like 2 months, maybe 3 at the most. Because I do notice, like, obviously they're sitting in vinegar, how much the skins lighten up, but they're still really crispy. These ones I have dated for the end of this month. Because I did like 6 weeks from the time I made them. So this one I made yesterday, which would be like August 10th. And 6 weeks from yesterday, according to Google, is September 21st. I just thought I'd share real quick what I came up with from a mixture of things that I saw online. I did find a recipe that was like almost identical though. But whatever. I mean, they used a lot less garlic and a lot less dill. And I'm one of those people where if the recipe says like 1 clove of garlic, I'm like, okay, 4 then. And that's basically what I did with this stuff, is I added a lot more. Of course, like add it to your, like, to your taste, how you would like it. My kids actually will eat like the dill out of it too. So I put a decent amount of dill. I put like 3 to 4 cloves of garlic per container and like a handful of peppercorns because I just want it to have a nice like bite. All right, well, thanks for watching. If you try them, I hope they turn out well. If they don't, maybe don't tell me because I'll feel bad. But yeah, so thanks for watching. Enjoy your pickles. Bye.